For this video, let's talk about how to write number bomb.
First of all, we should look at the most important part of the game, which is the rules of this game. In this game, player needs to guess the number that is not a bomb within the range. Therefore, the first question is how to place the bomb. On line 20, players determine the upper bound. On line 23, we parse the upper bound into an integer, and then we define the lower bound to be 1, because 1 is a good number to start with. And after that, we use random to randomly choose an integer that is the bomb within the range. Then we can start the game. Since the player is always trying to shrink the range to guess from, we need to keep updating the lower and upper bound. When a player steps on a bomb, the game ends. Therefore, for each player, we first ask for a number input, as we can see in lines 33 to 40. If the number is less than a bomb, we update the lower bound. If the number is greater than a bomb, we update the higher bound. This process repeats until one player eventually steps on the bomb. And also, to keep the game running, we need to put the whole thing into a while loop. In line 29, n equals to false acts as a switch and it's only turned on when the player steps on the bomb. That is, when we step out of the while loop and the game ends. After we finish the framework of this game, we need to add an initialization part of the game, which is how many people to play the game together with your names. Moreover, since this game is an interactive game, we need to make sure that players are entering valid inputs. So, we here avoid repeating names, avoid characters when numbers should be applied, and numbers out of the range. To this point, we successfully finished the whole game, and it's time to enjoy the game.